All right, to evaluate the sum here. Oh, well, first off, we know the first term and the last term and the number of terms. So that's the little monk story that I told earlier if you watched my other videos. We have 800 as the term here. Well, the first term is a 1 because if I notice the first number is 5. There's no letter here. So obviously the last number would also be a 5. So I could take 800 divided by 2, which makes 5 plus 5 is 10. And 800 divided by 2 is 400. So I end up with 4,000. Or as a property, this is one of those, there's no way I could take 5 times 800, also and get the answer. Or you could just go to your calculator, hit math, option 0, and it will appear. Or you could also go to decimal scrapping, hit your function button. But you have to go over to miscellaneous and hit the sigma notation for that to also work. Those answers would also work, and that's what it would look like on that particular one. And this one here is another one that is very, very similar. Now this one here, because it's 3 terms and it's not like a particular, it's not a sum one, I might have to actually plug in my 3 numbers to test it out to find out what they're all equal to. That 1 over 2 4 is going to be, I think it went, hopefully a 1/9 shows up here in a second. If not, ooh, maybe I need to go write that in here. So real quick, I guess I forgot to have something pop up in here. 2 squared is 4, that would be a 1/9. It is COVID time, as you can see with my mask on when I filmed this one. All right, guess I forgot to have something pop up there. Oh, not 1/9. I do have 1/8. Oh, I'm a math teacher who can't even count. You know there are 3 kinds of math teachers, right? Those that can count and those who can't. It is 1/8. Nice catch there. All right, so, and then if you make a common denominator of the 1/5, the 1/8, and the 1/13, you get 520. And you can see 1/5 becomes 104 over 520. 1/8 becomes 65 over 520. 1/13 is 40 over 520. You have that 2 over 9 over 520. You can hit that number right there. That only gives you the decimal equivalent. I think the answers on this one were all in fraction format, which the fraction format is that right there. Oh, there's my 1/8 that finally popped in there. I guess it just took it a second to get there. All right, have to fix that a little later. Now here's one where you sum